For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Here's the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be a guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested in shipments from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through much cleaning machines that screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and liquid cacao products. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor. We pour the blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters, which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it? Next, we quickly pour the beans and feed them into our breaking chamber, which cracks open the shells of crushed beans. Inside each shell are tiny pieces of cocoa.
Hey everybody, bologna are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa powder, which is everyday shiny paper peanut milk and water lined outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what makes Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high-quality standards. Once it passes testing, we make sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize extensively and then grind in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the added chocolate all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious pieces that we call chocolate crumbs. Dry the chocolate foam to a coarse powder. Then mix in the cocoa butter and press down earlier until it adapts to the foam. This brings out the chocolate rich and texture. Point the set one and smell. Infuse the chocolate foam in steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Tiz to explain the next step in the process.
Hi everybody! These contour machines use thick granite rollers to smooth and transform refined foam into milk chocolate. The contour process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing the rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined foam until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate. Bye for now.
After contour, re-temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a funky conveyor line. Then we send them over through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate in special dog bags.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups. My personal favorite.
Everyone likes to taste mine are Hershey's favorite chocolate.
Aw, thanks, Alex. That's so sweet.
Looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's moment. So be sure to share us with us for what you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Hi, folks. Let's have everyone look right here for a picture. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, now everybody say Hershey's. 3, 2, 1. Hershey's.
Okay, time to go share some goodness.
Well, now you know the hard work, pride, and joy that goes into making every piece of Hershey's goodness.
Come visit us again soon.
Please remain seated until the door opens and watch your step onto the moving platform. And enjoy the rest of your day here at Hershey's Chocolate World. So long, everyone.
Thanks for coming.
Bye-bye.